Congratulations on choosing the most versatile tie-down strap on the market, the Dual CamJam Tie Down system from Night Eyes. In this video, we'll cover how to use this versatile system in both a fixed-in and a looped configuration. The Dual CamJam Tie Down system is made up of two components, the Dual CamJam that features two cam mechanisms, and a tough 1-inch webbing strap with a strong bar-tacked loop at one end. Let's start by rigging the system in the fixed-in configuration. When using the unique fixed-in setup, you'll need almost half the amount of webbing as you'd normally use in a traditional looped configuration. Start off by securing the loop end of your webbing to your anchor point. You can do this by cinching the strap to the anchor point by passing the free end of the strap through the loop. Next, wrap the strap over or around your load. Next, you will need to feed the Dual CamJam onto the webbing. Starting with the tail end of the strap, follow the arrows on the buckle to feed the webbing correctly through cam 1. You should end up with something like this. The magic of the Dual CamJam is that you can adjust the buckle to any point along your strap by pressing cam 1 to slide the Dual CamJam up or down the length of the strap. Continue by feeding the strap around your second anchor point, then feed up through cam 2. Again, the arrows here show you the way. Finish locking by pulling the slack out of the strap and tightening down your load. Next up, let's look at using the Dual CamJam Tie Down system in a traditional looped configuration. With the webbing wrapped around your load, slide the Dual Cam buckle onto the free end of the strap. Next, feed the end of the webbing through the loop and back to the buckle. Now, following the arrows, feed the tail end of the webbing through cam 2. Pull tight and you are ready to go.